Hello, class, and good afternoon. I think that many of you are having difficulties in writing your argumentative essay, and because of that, I'm here to help you on the part of making your citations, particularly the bibliography. We're going to do this using Microsoft Word and citethis4me.com. Class, before we head into the tutorial, just make sure that you have the information that I will show you here in this video. This one. Okay, just make sure that you already have your TAPC Plus. Okay, TAPC Plus means title, author, publisher, copyright year, and the URL of your sources, because more often than not, you'd be using sources coming from the internet, so you better prepare these things. Okay, so once you're done, it should look like something like this. I'll make an example of the title, Input Hypothesis. The author of this is Bryce Hedstrom, and the publisher is brycehedstrom.com, his website. That's a website title. Copyright year, it was written back in 2018, and then the URL. Okay, if you have this information ready, class, now into your Microsoft Word, I would like you to look at the references section in the ribbon. On top, you see references, and in the reference section, you click on Manage Sources. And here in the Manage Sources, you can add your source by clicking New. And here at New, since you're adding a website, just click Website. And then the author that we have there, remember we have Bryce Hedstrom. So I will type his name, Bryce Hedstrom. And the name of the web page, the title, I believe it was Input Hypothesis. The name of the website, that is the publisher, you have brycehedstrom.com. The year of publication is 2018. Do not worry about the month and date. If you wanted to, yes, you can add the month and date, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just add the copyright year. And lastly, class, what's most important is the URL. Okay, so once you're done with this, just click on OK, and you'll find it here in the current list. You already created a source here on Microsoft Word. Class, once you're done inputting your sources in Microsoft Word, it is very simple to create your bibliography. You just don't forget to check APA format on the reference section, there in the style. Okay? APA 6th edition, although there's already 7th edition, depending on your MS Word. If it's updated, you'll have the 7th edition here. But much better stick with what they have here, APA 6th edition or 7th edition. And then click on bibliography and just choose the format that you like. Bibliography, references, works cited. Once you click that, bam, you already have your bibliography. Very simple, class. It is something that you can do easily. Okay, class. Now the other tutorial is how to do that in citethis4me.com in case that you do not have Microsoft Word and you're just using your cell phone. Okay, so you can go to that website, citethis4me.com, or just search it there on your Google, right? Once you have Cite This For Me, you'd probably see this in your homepage. It will ask you on what style of citation you'd like to do. In our case, for our class, I would like you to select APA. Okay, and you just choose the source type. In our case, brycehedstrom.com, that is a website. All right, so Here we go. Let us first input the URL because that's what the website asks us to do. All right, and then click on search.
Infinite power.
Okay. It says that this web address doesn't seem to be working. Please add the website manually. Now, I don't know about that, but just remember, if you have the TAPC, you will not have problems. All right. You have the title. Title is input hypothesis. Put that on the page title. And then for the website name, that is the publisher, we input brycehedstrom.com. And next is the publisher. Well, that's already redundant. You don't have to do that anymore. The author, the name of the author is Hedstrom Bryce, or Bryce Hedstrom. Okay, now that we're done with this, oh, not yet. The access date is when you have access it. If it's today, then it's today. The year that it's published, it's 2018. Okay, now that we're done, let's just click on complete citation, and you see you have your bibliography ready here. Okay, it's APA format, and if you want to put that on your Microsoft Word, you simply click on copy bibliography citation, so it will copy your bibliography. Okay, if this thing shows up, don't worry about this. Just click don't show me this again. It's already on your clipboard, the citation. So yes, just go to Microsoft Word and paste your bibliography. There you go. You have your bibliography from citedisforme.com. The only problem is that it doesn't follow the format. There must be a hanging indent class. So for you to do this, I would like you to right click in Microsoft Word, click on paragraph, and go to indentation. You see the special indentation. Just have the hanging indentation, and yes, that should sort it out, just like the last one for Microsoft Word. Okay, so that's it. That's how you make your bibliographies in Microsoft Word and citedisforme.com. If you have any questions, suggestions, you just have to PM me. Thank you so much for listening, and bye for now.